Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today, we are going to fire up the Traeger 500 degrees. That's right, we are making Neapolitan style pizza on the Traeger today. Okay, so for our ingredients today, we're keeping it very simple. I'm using a pre-made dough that I got at my local grocery store. You could check with your local pizza restaurants or make your own. All of them are gonna work. So I have an 8-ounce dough ball that I'm using, and then I've got sauce, cheese, pepperoni. Super easy. I'm gonna use a little mixture of flour and some semolina as my anti-stick agent, and then right here, this is it. This is my Lodge cast iron pizza pan. Okay, so we went ahead and added that pan in first. We made sure the Traeger was nice and clean. We topped off with our Ace Reserve Blend pellets today, and now we are setting our cook temp at 500 degrees. So we'll go ahead and hit ignite, and we are good to go. All right, here we are right after about 40 minutes of heating up, and I want to check temp. And we're sitting at 495, and the grill is at 497. So definitely happy about that. So now that we're fully heated up, we will let it recover. Let's go in the kitchen. Time to make pizza. Here we are ready to make pizza. First thing I like to do is get a little flour in the bowl. We went ahead and let this dough warm up to room temperature for about 35 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is put that into some flour, just like that. Now that we're out of the flour, what I'm doing is just kind of stretching my dough out and pushing it out to the edges, just like that. Now, I'll pick it up, put it on my hand, and I'll move the pizza peel in. Now what we'll do is lightly coat that pizza peel, because that is going to help release the pizza. I gave that pizza a little stretch on there, just like that. Now, fast is the name of the game, so we'll get a little bit of sauce on here. Now, Neapolitan style means we are going to go thin pizza dough, we are going to go light pizza sauce, and light pizza toppings. So we'll get our sauce on there, just like that, and we'll do light cheese. The goal is to get that beautiful crust developed, and I get some nice spots on there, and just like that. And then pepperoni, we'll go light on the pepperoni as well to get this all ready. Again, fast, fast, fast. We are built and ready. I will see you, hold on. I will see you out at the Traeger. Okay, pizza's built. It is time to slowly get that off onto the Traeger. I'm gonna shut this, not even check on it for 5 minutes. See you back 5 minutes. All right, here we are, the moment of truth. After our first 5 minutes, we're not quite there yet. We are getting a little bit of color. The dough is set, I like that, but I think we're gonna close it, let it go for another 5 minutes. Okay, moment of truth, 10 minutes, here we are, and that's starting to look really nice. I've got some great color on there, got nice color on the bottom. I'm gonna let it go for 1 minute and just see if I can get a little bit of color up here, but other than that, we are close. Man, we're close. Well, look at that. After 12 minutes, I think I'm done. I think it is time to get this in the kitchen, and let's take a quality control bite out of this. And there you have it. Now, a couple things I noticed I could have maybe done a little bit differently is I could have brushed that with a little bit of oil, maybe to get some darker color, but I'll tell you what, look at that. That is beautiful, and I'm not unhappy at all. So we'll go ahead now and get this cut. And then, yeah, let's cut it in 6s, right? And then it is time to give a little quality control. Hey, you know what? You could top this with whatever you want, but that, can't wait to eat some pizza. All right, so 11 minutes to make Neapolitan style pizza on my cast iron pizza pan on the Traeger. Huge win. Now, I know what you're thinking. I want deep dish pizza. Stay tuned. I've got a deep dish pizza recipe coming up next. But until then, time for bite number 2. And 3. Number 4.